Nature's Hidden Wonders, Episode 1. Why is the sky blue? Every day, billions of people look up and see the same thing. A vast blue sky stretching from horizon to horizon. But have you ever stopped to wonder why? Why isn't the sky green? Why isn't it purple? And here is something even more surprising. The sky isn't actually blue at all. In today's episode, we are uncovering one of nature's most fascinating secrets. Welcome to Avifo Nexus, where we explore the wonders, mysteries, and beauty of our natural world. Today, we are asking a question that most people have never really thought about. Why is the sky blue? Today, to understand why the sky appears blue, we first need to understand sunlight. Although sunlight looks white, it is actually made up of many different colors. You can see these colors whenever a rainbow appears after rain. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Together, these colors form what we call visible light. As sunlight travels through space, all these colors move together. But everything changes when that light enters Earth's atmosphere. What is the secret of Earth's atmosphere? Our atmosphere is filled with tiny molecules of oxygen and nitrogen. These particles are incredibly small, but they play a huge role in what we see above us. When sunlight strikes these molecules, the different colors begin to scatter. Some colors pass through more easily. Others bounce around in every direction. Blue light has a shorter wavelength than red light. Because of this, blue light scatters much more stronger throughout the atmosphere. As scattered blue light reaches our eyes from all directions, the sky appears blue. In reality, we are not seeing the atmosphere itself. We are seeing scattered sunlight. But if the sky is blue because of scattered blue light, why do sunsets look red and orange? As the sun approaches the horizon, its light must travel through much more atmosphere before reaching us. Most of the blue light gets scattered away long before it arrives. What remains are the longer wavelengths, reds, oranges, and yellows. That is why sunsets often paint the sky with such breathtaking colors. Every sunset is actually a lesson in physics. The next time you look up at a blue sky, remember that you are witnessing a remarkable interaction between sunlight and the atmosphere. Something so common, yet so extraordinary. Nature is filled with wonders that many of us overlook every day. The beauty above our heads reminds us that even the simplest things often have fascinating stories behind them. As Psalms 19 verse 1 says, "The heavens declare the glory of God, and the firmament showeth his handiwork." Did you learn something new today? Let us know in the comment section. And if you enjoy exploring the mysteries of nature, subscribe and join us on the next episode of Nature's Hidden Wonders. Until next time, keep exploring.